Hey everybody, I have a new release of Tempest 3D already. You can see right off the bat we have a different title screen with an options menu. So for now I added a couple options. One, you can disable game music if you prefer. If you're playing off a CD and you just don't feel like having your CD drive spin constantly, or you just don't want to hear the music, you can turn that off now. There's a game mode. Modes are normal and hard. The differences between the two is that in normal mode, you have a decent amount of shots per volley. So when you fire, your bullets are in a collection, and in order for a bullet to refresh, to be used again, it either needs to hit something or go beyond the play field. It's hard to notice when you're on normal. You can pretty much spam quite a bit. But if you're in hard mode, you don't have as many volley bullets, and so that gets decreased. So you have to be more precise with all your shots, and you also don't get any extra lives. So I thought that would be fun to introduce. In terms of gameplay updates, so there's a few. So right now I'm using the Phoenix emulator so that you can see the Maria effect a bit better. Just one thing to keep in mind is that it tends to lag a little bit in Phoenix, not on hardware and not on Opera. But again, I just want to show you the effects. But you can see that the points now, they blend in a little better. So I'm using a bit of translucency over those points so that they blend in better with the background. So now you don't get obscured. Your vision is not get obscured. You can also see there are now explosions when you destroy an enemy. So that's a little bit better of a visual cue. That way it's separate from the points that you receive. Another change that I made is I added a better random seed generator. So basically to generate pseudo-random numbers that can make the gameplay feel a little different every time. That's been improved. Also, when the player is hit, his animation is a little quicker, so it looks a little more natural. There's an example there. I also did some code refactoring, made things a little cleaner on the back end. I plan to make another video and go over kind of a code review on how this is working. I also ordered a 3DO mouse, so I'm pretty excited to get that and do some experiments with it. See how maybe that could be utilized as an additional control. Yeah, so if you are looking to play this game, this version, which is version 1.1, is going to be a bit more polished for you. Performance is the same. Yeah, you might be able to see there's a little bit of lag with this emulator. Nope, that's it. Alright, so here's the update. Hope you enjoy.